53.947. No help for Ramsey. Slows down by 0.6 of a second. The door wide open for Tom Holt to jump right through, unless a novice driver decides to go a little bit faster. Jason Meinhardt picking up Stone. He's chasing down Jerry Vistani in that Seesaw 99 mobile. That 99 Seesaw car has got the pedigree, but Jason Meinhardt, his first time out in the car, he's picked up a +1. Andrew Powers into the 53.142. 53.142 for Andrew Powers. And Jason's picked up Newcomers now. He's got +2, so he'll stay in the second place. Go ahead.